In a data-centric world, the ethical considerations for how data is collected, used and shared is paramount when developing new products, services and technologies. In recent years, we've seen incredible growth in artificial intelligence, and with this, we see huge potential to deliver positive change, but also the potential for harm. Understanding data ethics in AI is designed to equip learners with a comprehensive understanding of the ethical challenges associated with all data practices across the data lifecycle. The course examines the legal structures that exist around the world, but provides a basis for learners to understand the practical implications of their legal obligations and develop their knowledge of the data landscape to move beyond obligation and consider the deeper challenges that exist and can be perpetuated by data. After all, without data, there is no AI. The course explores the ethical frameworks and introduces data ethics as a branch of ethics. But where the philosophy of ethics seeks to understand the decision-making that underpins right and wrong, data ethics concerns itself with the practical skills associated with evaluating data practices to understand the broader implications, risks and impact. Through this data ethics lens, we will look at the impact of different data practices on people and society, with a particular focus on the evolution of AI systems. Throughout the course, we'll explore the principles, frameworks and tools that support you in evaluating ethical data practices and foster responsible decision making. At the Open Data Institute, our mission focuses on building an open, trustworthy data ecosystem. An important part of that is promoting responsible data practices, not just surrounding open data, but across the entire data spectrum. As a leading organisation in this area, the ODI aims to advocate for openness, transparency and data-informed innovation, whilst emphasising the ethical considerations associated with data practices and AI development. We believe data ethics relates to good practice around how data is collected, used and shared. It's especially relevant when data activities have the potential to impact people and society, directly or indirectly. We can improve public interest and participation, empowering citizens to actively engage in discussions about data-driven technologies and understand how their data is used. More broadly, open data facilitates ethical impact assessments by enabling researchers, policymakers and organisations to examine the data itself to identify biases and limitations. Open data policies encourage responsible data governance and the establishment of clear guidelines for ethical data practices, fostering a data-driven ecosystem built on ethical principles. If you work with data or design data-informed products, this course is for you. Learn how to operationalise data to drive positive outcomes whilst minimising risks, regardless of your role.